Want to turn plain kids' shoes into something straight out of a fairy tale? Today, I'm showing you how to decorate kids' shoes with pink diamonds and tiny flowers. It's simple, fun, and looks totally store-bought. This is such a cute DIY to do for birthdays, parties, or just to give those old shoes a brand new sparkle. Let's get started. Start with a clean pair of kids' shoes, preferably fabric or canvas ones. Make sure they're dry and free from any dust. The cleaner the surface, the better your gems will stick. Trust me, once you finish these, you'll never look at plain shoes the same way again. Grab your pink diamond gems and start gluing them carefully between the fabric and the bottom sole, all the way around the shoe. Go slowly, one gem at a time. This border of sparkle gives the whole shoe a polished luxury look. I like using a strong craft glue or fabric glue here. It dries clear and keeps everything firmly in place, even when kids run or play. By the way, if you're into fun DIYs like this, you'll love the other projects on my channel too. I've done sparkly bike makeovers, custom flower vases, and even a few shoe transformations that look like they came straight from a boutique. Each one's super easy to follow, beginner friendly, and all you need are a few simple craft supplies. I love making things look high-end without spending much. So if you like creative projects that add a little shine and personality to everyday items, definitely check those out after this video. And hey, tell me in the comments what you'd like to see next. Maybe glitter sneakers or some gemstone sandals. Don't scroll yet, the best part's coming up next. Wait till you see how the flowers pull this whole look together. Simple steps, big results. That's the beauty of DIY. Just wait for the final reveal. Now for the Velcro lace strap, the star of the show. We're adding 2 neat lines of pink diamonds across the top of each strap. Double the sparkle, double the wow factor. This part catches the light beautifully, especially outdoors. You'll see those little shoes shimmer with every step. This is one of my favourite parts because it completely changes how the shoes look. That double layer of diamonds makes them feel expensive and boutique style. You can even mix in a few clear or silver gems in between to give it a multi-tone shine. It's those small details that make your design stand out. And if you've got more than one pair of shoes lying around, try doing different colours, pink, gold, blue. Each one gives a totally different vibe. Can we just take a second to appreciate how cute these are turning out? Like, I'd totally wear these if they came in my size. Once your diamonds are set, let's add a touch of sweetness. Glue small decorative flowers on the tip of each shoe, a few on the Velcro strap, and a couple more on the back. Mix colours for a fun, playful look, or keep everything pink for a soft, matching theme. You can use fabric flowers, resin ones, or even stickers if you're doing this with kids. It's a super fun craft to do together. Adding these little flowers really ties the whole design together. It softens the sparkle and gives it that cute fairy garden feel. If you want to go extra creative, try layering a small gem in the centre of each flower for even more shine. I've done similar floral designs on picture frames and canvas art. So if you like this mix of diamonds and flowers, definitely check those out after this video. And just like that, you've turned simple shoes into sparkling, one-of-a-kind treasures. Perfect for dress-ups, parties, or everyday wear with a little extra shine. If you enjoyed this, I've got plenty more DIY videos coming, from custom decor to simple crafts that look stunning. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves a bit of sparkle too.